As you can see, the facilities all around me, it's incredible. The support I've had has been amazing. My tutor has been there from the start. The amount of hours he's put in is incredible. It wasn't just inside college that Bob Evans helped me. He helped me numerous times when I had my codings and work. I'd go to him for advice. I'd recommend Neath College because it has a brilliant variety of courses that definitely brought my skill level up to here. I've had my job because of Neath College.
Coming to the college with the open days, it really opened my eyes to how many opportunities there are.
I came to the open evening and I saw the workshop and everything, and I just thought it was really, really cool, and it looked really good, and I felt like I could learn a lot from it.
All the equipment is just brand new. It's all really up to date with us.
Every half term that we've got now, we'll be doing work experience. Obviously the aim is to get used to industry and perhaps see what type of industry we want to go into. From our experience now, if the employers like us, they can offer us an apprenticeship.
I didn't have any design and technology in my comprehensive school, and to come here with no experience, it's just been eye-opening really.